For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The COVID-19 pandemic has led to cancellation of some of the biggest religious events and celebrations in the country. Adding to the list now is the famous Amarnath Yatra. The Jammu and Kashmir administration has decided to cancel Amarnath Yatra 2020 in wake of the pandemic situation. The decision was taken during the 39th meeting of Sri Amarnath Ji Shrine Board that was chaired by Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Girish Chandra Murmu. The meeting discussed the COVID-19 pandemic and its impact on Amarnath Yatra. The board discussed the Supreme Court's July 13 order, where the court left it to the board to decide on holding the religious event. The board took note of increasing COVID-19 cases in Jammu and Kashmir, especially in July. Based upon the circumstances, Sri Amarnath Ji Shrine Board decided that it is not advisable to hold and conduct this year's Sri Amarnath Ji Yatra and expressed its regret to announce the cancellation of Yatra 2020. The board further discussed that pandemic has put the health administration system to its limit. The spike has been particularly very sharp in July. The health concerns are so serious that the strain on the health system, along with the diversion in resources to the Yatra, will be immense. The Union Territory Administration also observed that it was not feasible to conduct Amarnath Yatra considering the prevailing situation. However, the board also observed that the cancellation of Amarnath Yatra would upset devotees and hurt religious sentiments. The Amarnath Ji Shrine Board has decided to virtually telecast darshan of morning and evening aarti. Further, all traditional rituals will be carried out as usual. Meanwhile, former Jammu and Kashmir Deputy Chief Minister Kavinder Gupta said the decision was welcomed, keeping public health in mind.
कश्मीर की परिस्थितियों और जो हमारे ऊपर प्राकृतिक आपदा है इस वक्त कोरोना महामारी, उस सभी को ध्यान में रखते हुए मुझे लगता है सरकार ने यह निर्णय लिया है और हमें भी इसके साथ कंप्रोमाइज करना चाहिए, कारण कि देश भर में सभी मंदिर, मस्जिद, गुरुद्वारे बंद हैं.
He further added that Amarnath Yatra is an exhausting journey and the government wants to avoid untoward incidents.
ये बड़ी कठिन यात्रा है. इस कठिन यात्रा के दौरान अगर किसी को भगवान ना करे कुछ तकलीफ होती है तो ये हमारे लिए एक गलत मैसेज जाने वाला है. इसलिए ये ज़रूरी है. एक तो कोरोना के कारण से जो सिम्टम्स लोगों के बीच में आते हैं वो भी वहाँ पर सांस चलना या दूसरी चीज़ें, इन सभी को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए तो सरकार ने ये निर्णय लिया हो.
The Amarnath Yatra is a major religious event that attracts devotees across the country. Every year, around 10 lakh devotees visit the Amarnath Cave Shrine. This is the second year in a row that the pilgrimage would not be carried out in the presence of devotees.